Hello students, how are you all? I hope all of you are fine and safe in today's pandemic situations. Please be safe by wearing mask and sanitizing your hands. Okay, please be safe, stay home safe. Okay, please follow the instructions given by the government and study well in this time by using different videos and by using different sources. Okay, in this session we discuss about the paper event management. It is the paper for third year degree students, third year BCom students, only for computer applications, third BCom computer applications, that are occasional students. So it is a 50 marks paper. It is not a foundation course, it is a core paper for third BCom occasional students. The paper titled as event management. So in this paper contains 3 units and it is for 50 marks paper. So students, all of you are appearing for third BCom examinations. The paper contains 3 units. Okay, event management. So why to study event management? After completion of your degree, BCom degree, you may select different different careers or different careers or different jobs or higher studies. So event management is a highly creative career for freshers and younger persons. So we have to study event management for get an idea about event industry and how events are conducted and how events are operated. So event management is a very interesting topic. So what is event? Actually, what is an event? So we know that events and occasions play a vital role in every human's life. So we all are enjoying the events in our lives. So event manager, here I show the picture. Event managers are the key points to events. If an event is successful, event is successful or unsuccessful, it is totally dependent on event managers. So event managers all event managers are knowing about finance, marketing, scheduling of events and how to create security at events at the time of event and what the place was created for event, that is called location, and how to creatively design an event and targets. What are the targets in events? Giving better satisfaction to audience. Okay, so and logistics management. Event manager also known as about logistic management. And coming to the event management syllabus. Event management syllabus. In this paper, there may be 3 units. The first unit titled as Event Concept. In this unit, we study about corporate events and customer needs, types of different events, and what about corporate hospitality, and briefly knowing about exhibitions, trade fairs, conferences, how these are events, how they are conducted by event managers, and also about business and government meets, how business and government meets are arranged by an event manager, and corporate event packages, and also about menu selection in events. It is very important to event because of satisfaction of human being is totally related on totally related to satisfaction of his stomach. Okay, customization and customization. And coming to second unit, it is titled as outdoor events. It is titled as outdoor events. In this unit, we'll learn about logistics, types of outdoor events, and how to manage risks in the event, risk management, and health and safety, marketing and sponsorship, and how to safety needs. What are the safety needs in events? And HR management, human resources management, and programming and entertainment. And coming to third unit, named as celebrity events. Celebrity events. In this unit, we learn about launches. Launches means businessman always launches their new products to encourage or to motivate or to establish their products and services. Fashion shows and national festivals and high profile charity events, liaising with government agents. It is very important to event managers. And also about event organizations, liaising with government events. Conducting an event is not a easy thing. There may be there may be different liaising with agents is included. Contract negotiations, client briefings, and also know about celebrity events, wish lists, expectations, and liaising with government departments. Okay, like municipalities or different departments, police, and all other government departments. Okay, it is the syllabus of event management. We all know that events are very important and crucial in every human's lives. Some events are special and unique. Some events are special and unique, which can't be bypassed as touch every aspect one's social existence. Okay, so everyone becomes a part of events. All of the human beings are part of an events. So everyone's life has an event. Okay, here events are very important to human lives and also organizations. Events are very important to organizations also. So the domain of events is building an industry. The domain of events is building of an industry. The emergence and growth of events around the globe, a district industry has given the science of management can no longer ignorance in the field of events. Okay, to survive business organization, the businessman always conducting different events to establish their products, to promote their goods and services, and to encourage their employees and to establish themselves. Event or the businessman always always creating different events, always encouraging. So going to what is event, what are the definition for events. Here I mentioned some definitions for event. Event management is about management and execution of successful events. The following definitions, there may be some following definitions for event management. So event management is about management and successful events. So Professor Donald Gedge defines event as a well-known writer. He is the well-known writer in the field of event management. He defined events as special events from two perspectives. So it is perspective of customer. Professor Donald defined special events from two perspectives. The first perspective is customer and second perspective is event manager. By the view of customer perspective, first perspective customer, to the customer or guest, special event is an opportunity for leisure, social, culture experience outside the normal range of choices or beyond every experience. Perspective of customer. Customer feels events as to be a customer or guest. A special event is an opportunity. Which type of opportunity? For leisure, social or culture experience, they get culture experience, social and culture experience outside the normal range of choices or beyond every experience. They may get experiences from different events. And perspective of event management. Perspective of event management. A special event is a one-time or infrequently occurring event outside normal programs or activities of the sponsoring or organizing body. Perspective of event manager. A special event is a one-time event or frequently occurring event outside normal programs or activities of sponsoring of organizing bodies. Okay. Dr. J. Goldblatt defines event as special event as a unique moment in the time of celebrated with ceremony and ritual to satisfy special needs. He told that events are created for special needs. He told that events are created for special needs, to satisfy special needs. And Philip Kotler says that events are occurrences designed to communicate particular message to targeted audiences. We may observe some events. There may be compulsory, there is a particular message to targeted audiences. So more events are conducted by more persons, but every event contains a message to particular audience. So observe some of the events, marriage events or business events or government meetings. So there may be compulsory a particular message to the particular audience. Okay. So events are designed according to set of plans to achieve client's objective. Many in real life may not be meet the criteria of above definitions. Okay. So features and characteristics of events. What are the features and characteristics of events? Events carry some unique characteristics. All events carry some unique characteristics. One of them is events are a particular message to targeted audiences. Event team is always expected to do right thing. Do everything right. Event managers always think that doing right thing, everything do in right way. Some events takes days or months to plan depending upon the nature and size of the events. Before conducting events, we may plan that event. They may take months or days on the basis of the size of the event, nature and size of the events. Some events like marriage functions are one day event, but we prepare before months or days. Okay. So and business meets, conferences, they also happening. They also planned before they are conducted. Okay. So some of the characteristics are here I mentioned. First one is unique. Events are each event is unique itself. No event is compared with another event because event is unique itself. Every event may not be happy event, but it should be referred a message to people. Okay, every event is not a happy event, but it should be referred to happy and pleasant events. For example, a layman, a wedding. For example, a layman, a wedding is wedding, but actually it is a wrong assumption. Even if two weddings were to be held on the same day at the same place, they would not be same. Observe. Okay, they may be differ in terms of timings, number of people visiting and the way of people, interaction of people, status of people, gathering of it etc. So the two events will always be radically different. If event has unique in nature. Okay, so event is unique in nature and it is remembered by the host forever. Expensive. Okay, events are always expensive. Events are generally expensive to stays and intangible. like the services, events are intangible. Okay, which means we know that services are intangible, we can't measure them. Like that, events also intangible. Okay, which means the events can be seen, the events can be seen and even experienced, but we can't touch that. Tangible products can be seen and touched. Events are organized with different motives. When we go through an event, we may get some of joy and enjoyment, but we can express that, but we can't measure that event. Tangible products can seen and touched. Events are organized with different motives such as fun, entertainment, information, which are intangible in nature. But visiting a mall does not cost to customer anything. But he or she can sense a ambience and get a feel of the place and the service provided. When we visiting a mall, we purchase something for us, it is costly to us, it is measurable to us, but the feeling which we earn on the time of visiting mall, the services given, the services are rendered by the mall, and the pleasant atmosphere, ambience of the mall, we feel that very pleasure, but we can't measure that services. Okay, so here these are intangible which can be felt and experienced. Events are in the same, they are intangible and they can be felt. Okay, and another one is once in a lifetime. Events are once in a lifetime. Events are unique. Okay, events are often once in a lifetime experiences for the participants. Some events occur once in a lifetime, such as marriage. So, everyone wants to make such events unique and unforgettable. Therefore, generally events take place only one. However, many events are held annually, usually at the same time of year. Okay. Let me explain some examples. Like marriage, it is a unique, it is a one time in life, and some other functions also. And coming to some events which are happening yearly and usually, so like conferences, meeting which are held by governments, and meeting held by government or business organizations are usually happening events. These are happening events and rituals. Generally, events are organized and slowly they became rituals and are conducted at fixed time of intervals. Like Oscars. In our country, Padma Bhushan, Padma Vibhushan awards. A tradition started to award the best in a particular category, and some of the TV programs like honor to some persons like Ma awards and so on. Okay, the tradition has remained, has become as ritual. Today, it has become largest event in Hollywood. Oscar Awards are the largest events in Hollywood. Oscar Awards are started at 1989. Black and white films, when the time of black and white movies. So, black and white movies are turned as color movies in 1966. So, more high-tech and more glamorous, more excited, more thrilling, and with worldwide coverage remains a tradition which was started in 1929, also continued and continued. Okay, more so remains and tradition and event looked for forward to every year by the best in the business. So Oscar award is a ritual event. Okay, includes combination of goods and services. Events includes compulsory events using some goods and services. The events are organized by combining both goods and services. Though events are intangible like services, but the experience of events is made intangible by attaching certain things known as giveaway. For example, cap, wristband, t-shirt, prize with contents, etc. if we go through a birthday party, there may be using of same t-shirts, using of same caps to the kids. Okay, the giveaway acts as token of remembrance. Its memory wherever seen, viewed or felt acts as remember event. And coming to personal interactions. Personal interactions. Okay, it is very important in events. We may interact with each person in the events. The action and reaction of peoples are critical aspect a part of event, and the action and reaction of a person is a critical aspects in events. The people participating in the event must have a chance to interact with each other. Already told that people's interacting with each other, they have a choice, they have get choice in the interacting with every person. The because events gathers peoples. If the people who will be a part an event or spectator do not enjoy the event is considered a flop or failure. In sports tournament, the spectators are the part of tournament as much as players are. They also help in building atmosphere, ambience and tournament with cheering, flags and face painting, etc. So when we observe some of the games and sports like cricket, we may observe then that the audience enjoys the match which was played by the player. Players are concentrating on their game, and here some of cheers and some of lightings and some of persons who are arranged to giving ambience and good atmosphere to audience are not enjoying that event. They are only concentrate on giving more services to the players or more services to the audiences. Okay, so involve the event players are. Okay, next, time scale. Events do not go on forever. It is one time event or they have a lifespan, because one time event or yearly or 25 years and so on. They generally take place over a short lifespan, although events could go on for some days or many other things. If it is evening event, the lighting, the stage, the color, background, etc. So events, if we conducting an evening event, we must provide then lighting, stage, colors, background and all will determine separately as opposed to if events were conducted during the day. So there may be difference between daytime event and evening event. And planning. All events are required and long and careful planning. Events are mostly artificially arranged decoration item. Artificially arranged decoration items. The bridge wants to perfect in every way. Okay. So risk and stake. Events carry a high level of risk. The risk like financial risk, safety risk and etc. There is often a lot at stake for those involved, including event management team. Okay, event management team also facing different risks. So athletic sporting, we may observe about athletic events wants to deliver the best performance. The bride wants to perfect in every way. The marketing manager and designing team want to new product to be seen in the best possible light. In normal business, the risk is seminars, exhibitions, parties, launching events of companies, etc. Imagination and creativity are irresponsible components of event management. Okay. So what is the need for event management? What is the need for event management? What is the meaning of what is the need of managing the events? Why do we manage event? Event management is coordination, running and planning of all the people, teams and features that come together to create every kind of event. So the management of event is important because of it is a once in a lifetime and it is making events memorable, and there may be some risk, and first impression the last. Okay, so event, what's the importance to manage a event? So events are once in a lifetime. Most of the events take place once in a lifetime of host. So any deficiencies and problems occurred at the time of event can't be rectified. Why? Because it is a once in lifetime, so we can't rectify that. So management of events has to be done carefully so that there is no chance of failure. There is no chance of its failure. And making events memorable. How to make events memorable? How to make event memorable? The successful events are less remembered in comparison to unsuccessful events. If the event is successful, we can't compare that with unsuccessful event. The application of management concepts help in smooth flow of events and makes them successful as flawless. Okay. Handling the risk. Events carry for high level of uncertainty and risk about revenue and profits comparison to many other businesses. In case of charitable and social events, the risk is not in terms of profits. In charitable events, they are not mentioned for gaining profits, and social events, they are not mentioned for profits. Social events like 2K run and some of the other events, and charitable events, they are always wants to serving the people. They are not mentioned for gaining profits. So in these both events, risk is in terms of profits, not in terms of profits, but the terms of time invested that can be wasted if objectives are not achieved as desired. So events are first impression last. The domain of events works on the nation that first impression is the last impression. Once unsuccessful event can destroy the business of organizers for the entire life, as a customer will never be able to establish trust on them. Okay, if in a business event there may be an unsuccess in that event, the manager lost his impression, the manager lost his products and services. Okay, thus event management is application of the management functions and principles to the creation and development of events. It is all about creating an experience. Event management is creating an experience, organizing a perfectly scenarized, well planned, well conducted, and it is a memorable event. It requires planning, organizing, and effective execution. Events requires planning, organizing, effective education. In the identifying the targeted audience, devising the event concept, planning, logistic, and coordination of technical aspects before actually executing the modalities of the proposed event. So the success of event manager depends upon how well the event was organized, of the what extent of objectives achieved. So in brief, successful event manager involves the following. What are the qualities, or how successful event manager? Successful event manager involves the organizers must have in-depth study of subject matter of event. In brands, in case of corporate events, if event manager conducts corporate events, he may study about brands of the company, and he study in depth subject matter of the events. What is the event, how to conduct it, and what is the brand image of the company, and how to reduce different unsafety assumptions, and how to increase the brand's name and fame. The event is directed on the audiences. Okay, events always have a message to targeted audiences. So event is designed on audiences. Event managers must collect information about targeted audiences. So who are the targeted audiences for particular event? How to achieve their feedbacks, or how to impress them, and how to giving best services to them. So event manager always directed on the audiences, always focuses on audiences. So they must collect the information who are the targeted audiences who are participating in the particular event. There must be strong event concept and theme. Event managers always put strong concept and strong theme for the events. Okay, the planning and coordination are crucial for successful events. Without planning we can't success in anywhere. So event managers mustly plan for the best and successful event, and they also creating coordination among the managers or among the people who are involved to rendering the services in the events. When a full proof plan is ready, then only event should be launched. When we plan effectively, event should be launched. Okay, these are the points in a successful events. Okay, what is the nature of event? Process: managing events is a short activity. It involves series of arrangements. Firstly, so managers expected to apply managerial process. So it is irreseparable. Managing events successfully requires creativity of organizers. Creativity and organizers' mind is not separable. So thus the management can't separated from event management, not separated from event manageable. Variability in responses: the event managers utilize different functions and tools managing in different events. Different events wants different tools. Events are unique in nature, so that's why different events wants different tools and services. So event manager must know about what are the tools required for, what are the services required for the particular event, and then there can be variability in experience that participants get from the same event. Okay, require a long and careful planning. Events always require a careful planning and a safety measures. Successful event management demands for the long term and careful planning. Various aspects of events such as event concept and design, marketing and promotion, leading the team, security and safety aspects, and crowd management, etc. required for systematic and conscious planning. So what should event manager plan in this on a particular event? He may plan for safety measures, leading the team, and marketing, and crowd management, and menu selection, and deciding venue. These all are consciously planned by the event manager. And expensive to stays: management on organization of event is costly affair, as various facilities and services providers are to be arranged, such security officer, catering staff. Okay, here catering staff, performers are the persons who are much expenditure place over short time period. So most of the events organized for short time period, it is a unique event, but planning management is long term process. Carry a high level of risk. All events are related with risks. Event management carries a lot of risks. Unsuccessful managed events always getting unsuccess. So remember for a long term comparison to successful one. Thus managing events carries a lot of risk reputation for the event manager. If we can't succeed in events, our reputation is also reduced. Often lot of stake. Event management is one short activity. It is takes efforts to entire team. And teamwork: event management is not an individual work, it is a teamwork. Why? Because number of persons included in the event to render their services to the audience. Event management requires efforts of well organized event team. The event manager has to bring together team with clearly defined authorities and responsibilities for the event aspects, including unexpected carries. So thus event manager always creating always creating cooperation and coordination in the teams. Okay, so aimed at targeted audience. We know that events are always aimed at target audiences. Okay, it is event management. So event management in India is growing fastly. In 1990s the industry spent only rupees 20 crores per annum, but it is in the time at the present it is last observing last couple of years we spending approximately 1800 crores per annum. So event management industry in India involves the requirement of various skills that have caused to grow the way is in recent past. Okay, I hope all of you are understand. Thank you students, all the best.
నేను ఒకసారి బ్రేక్లో అంటే అంకిల్